Good day, I am Vernon Darby. The following is Bulletin 15 issued by the Meteorological Service of Jamaica today, October 23, 2025, at 8 o'clock. A tropical storm warning and a hurricane watch are in effect as Tropical Storm Melissa moves slowly across the Caribbean Sea south-southwest of Hispaniola. This means tropical storm conditions posed a possible threat to Jamaica within 36 hours, and hurricane conditions are likely to pose a threat within 48 hours. At 7 a.m., the center of Tropical Storm Melissa was located by Air Force Reserve reconnaissance aircraft near latitude 15.5 degrees north, longitude 74.9 degrees west. This is about 303 kilometers southeast of Moran Point, Jamaica, or about 345 kilometers southeast of the capital, Kingston. Tropical Storm Melissa is moving very slowly toward the northwest near 7 kilometers per hour. A slow forward speed and a gradual turn to the northwest or north motion is forecast during the next couple of days, followed by a westward turn over the weekend. Maximum sustained winds are near 85 kilometers per hour with higher gusts. Little change in strength is forecast during the next day or so, but Melissa could become a hurricane in a couple of days with more substantial intensification forecast by late Friday and through the weekend. On the forecast track, Tropical Storm Melissa is expected to continue in the direction of Jamaica before turning towards the west on Saturday and moving over the waters south of the island. As the system nears Jamaica, showers will begin to affect the island with periods of moderate to heavy rainfall beginning late this afternoon. This will continue through Friday and the weekend. Strong gusty winds, possible reaching tropical storm strength, are expected to gradually develop late today and Friday, continuing into the weekend. These winds will initially affect eastern and southern parishes before gradually spreading across the remainder of the island. Winds reaching hurricane strength are possible over sections of eastern parishes as early as Saturday, as Tropical Storm Melissa continues to move closer to Jamaica. Marine interests should expect widespread heavy showers and thunderstorms accompanied by tropical storm force winds today and continuing through the weekend. Winds reaching hurricane strength are likely on Saturday, particularly over southern and eastern offshore waters, as Tropical Storm Melissa moves closer to the island. All small craft operators, including fishers from the Keys and Banks, should by now be in port and are urged to complete their necessary safety precautions without delay. Tropical storm warning, a public release from the Meteorological Service indicating tropical storm conditions, including possible sustained wind speeds of 63 to 118 kilometers per hour are expected to affect Jamaica in 36 hours or less. Hurricane Watch, a public release from the Meteorological Service indicating that hurricane conditions, including sustained winds of 119 kilometers per hour or higher, pose a possible threat to Jamaica within 48 hours. The Meteorological Service continues to closely monitor the progress of Tropical Storm Melissa, and all interests are encouraged to pay special attention to further releases. The next bulletin on the system will be issued at 11 a.m. That's Bulletin 15 issued by the Meteorological Service. I am Vernon Darby. Good morning.